Wait, don't scroll. Something amazing is about to happen. Today we are not just learning a Python, we are making a talking robot. Yes, you heard the right. A robot that can ask you question and talk back. Sounds fun, right? Then grab your keyboard and let's bring this robot to life. Let's go. Let's code a talking robot. But wait, before we start, let's do a quick flashback. What did we learn in last time? So, last time we learned about the variables. Variables are like this bag, then hold a different things inside. So, but what if this bag could talk and ask you what to store inside it? Well, guess what? That's we are learning today. We are going to make our computer talk us. Interesting, right? Yeah. Let's get started. Imagine you have a robot friend, but right now it's just sitting there and silent. But what if you could make it ask you question? Then where Python input function comes in. With the help of input function, we are going to make this program talking robot and building this program. The robot is asking us like hello human, what's your name? So let's teach our robot how to ask this question to us, right? So input what's your name. Okay, this is the input what robot is going to ask me, like what's your name. So I need a output saying like print hello name. Yeah, this is what I needed. So this is plus why I used means hello and what we are giving name, and this one is going to be combined all the three and it will give the output. So let's try, like it's like concatenate. So let's try, let's run this program. Let's see what happens. See, wow, what's this cool? The robot is asked us what's your name, tell me man what's your name. So I'm just simply saying Max. So here is the magic we got. Hello Max, is it cool, right? See guys, it's very cool and very easy. See, the robot is asking us question and also it is giving the output, I mean response. So this is how cool it is, the Python is. So let's see, we'll try another best example right now. Now we are asking us what's your favorite color. So we have to type input of what's your favorite color, right? To close, and here we have to open single quotes and we have to close. So we need a response saying that I love. Okay, we are adding plus to join those things. Favorite color, then plus, and I'm going to add like 2. Got it? So let's run this program. Let's see what happens now, whether it will ask us. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's asking us what's your favorite color, man, tell me. Robot is talking us, man. Wow, it's great, right? So I'm saying purple. Let's give space. Purple. If I click on enter, see the magic now, guys. It's gonna be awesome, right? See, I love purple too. The robot is responding us like I love purple too, man. You love purple? Yeah, I too love purple. Alright, now it's your turn, challenging time. Make your robot ask new questions. Maybe it's what's your favorite food or what's your best friend. Drop your answers in the comments below. Let's see who comes up with the most funniest questions. Boom. That's all, guys. You just built your first talking robot. How awesome is that? But wait, we are just get started. Next time we are going to level up this robot. If you want to build even more cooler in Python project, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. You don't want to miss what's coming next.